So this is part 2 of guys, are we living in simulation or not? As you can see, this is difference of the graphics. So if we are living in simulation, guys, we see some changes in ourselves like this kind of graphics development. Yes or no? We know that game is a type of simulation. So does we do anything like this in real life? Watch, sit and watch. See this. See this. Any car do this in real life? Comment down below if anyone any incident happened with any car. See this glitch too. Yes, suicide back fan the backs come from. See this glitch. And this also gives a bomb grenade. How? Does any animal after getting attacked do this kind of stuff? Please animals do this after getting attacked or by getting hunt? Or by this the helicopter scene. Sorry for that. It's not my video. Sorry. See this. This one. See this one. Oh my god. Wow. Very funny. Here. But I'm trying to explain you all that we never ever glitched in life. Nor a human, nor an animal, nor any objects. I was saying, in real life, after anyone's dead, does anyone come back to life many times? Like here in games we see a player, I as a player playing games, I killed by someone or like by guns or bullets or arrows or by animals or happen accident, but I return option is there in every games. Return option, but in real life can come infinite times, can come back in infinite times. That same character after dying by getting bullets shot by villainous players or enemies, that player comes back to life again and again, over and over again. But we don't come back to life. But yes, some of the incidents say a person came back to life after where he experienced happiness or heaven or hell. Only that incident happened only one time with each person, only one time, but not infinite times. Like dying and coming back again dying, coming back again dying, coming back again. It's not happening like that. If we have simulation, in game simulations, which are a gamer means a gamer can choose their own characters, means like Neo 2 like games. I have freedom of little choice. I'm saying this because we can change our eyes. If eyes this, some this or this, we can change, or we can change eyebrows. We can change eyebrows or nose shape, nose shape, nose shape or mouth shape or face shape like this. Someone face like this kind of shape. We can change hairstyles. We can choose our own hairstyles. These games are best examples. Choices of hairstyles, choices of ears, tattoos, this, that, height, voices, and whatnot. But in real life, it's impossible. Anyone have seen this kind of stuff? That suddenly that face is changing, nose changing, eye shape is changing, or eye color is changing of someone suddenly. If suddenly without their own choices, without their own rights, if you hadn't, people would have been scared, being panicking. Are you understanding? People would panic if it happened like this. I hope you understand that Cyberpunk games, you can choose any hair color, fingernails, body structure, you can change anything. Me as a simulation is me as a simulation. This is me as simulation. Sorry for backdrawing, but I understand. Like click in green color and in 3D. A human figure in 3D in green color. I hope you understand. Get that if you understand the drawings. If I was simulation, I would have suddenly been disappeared. In simulation world, simulation, there will be two sides. Well, one is I die and come back over and over again, or I as program removed. If I am a simulation, I am not thinking I am just a program. I would be removed. Like this, slowly. Inside, I wouldn't have any face, or I was a 3D. I would like a AI stuff. Like AI then disappear. It happened disappear like this. Like that, I would have disappeared. Within this, my friends, my relatives, family related relatives, neighbors, the time spent with this, that span of time will be removed. The span of time will be removed from their mind. Their mind will be removed. Sorry, not their mind. From their mind, each of these, how many, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, where, how much number does it doesn't matter. Matter is from their mind. If my program, my existence, my all fun we enjoyed throughout the lives, we remember those things will be deleted. हिंदी साफ तौर पर करें तो जो यादें हैं मेरे परिवार के सदस्यों में, दोस्तों में और आसपास के लोकल एरिया में जितने भी लोग हैं, उन सब से ना मेरी याद, इन लोगों ने मेरे साथ जो टाइम स्पेंड किया है और यादें, उन लोगों का यादें मिट जाएगा कि मैं कभी भी एग्जिस्ट करता था। समझो इस बात को, मैं कभी एग्जिस्ट करता था, इन लोगों को याद नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि ये प्रोग्राम जो था ना, हमारे कनेक्शन जो था ना, एक कनेक्शन टूट जाएगा। तो कनेक्शन टूट गया इन लोगों से, तो इन लोगों का कभी याद नहीं रहेगा कि मैं कभी था, कि मैं एक प्रोग्राम हूँ ना। अगर ऐसा होगा तो, अगर ऐसा होगा तो ना वर्ल्ड के 50% लोग ऐसे गायब हो जाते हैं और याद भी नहीं रहेगा, याद भी नहीं हो रहेगा। 50% या फिर 90% लोग ही गायब हो जाता है यूट्यूब में, और उनका परिवार का दोस्त, कोई मेमोरीज, नो मेमोरीज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर हिम or her if we are in simulation. If you understand, please like, share, subscribe to get videos like this. By explaining videos like this, every topics, mystery topics, science topics. Okay, bye.